Hi, this is Ilan from Django, and I'm about to show you our automotive-grade connectivity middleware demo platform. So let's come a little bit closer, and the first thing I'm about to show you here is our ability to support a 3G connection via a Qualcomm-based modem. It's a 3G modem. I'm just going to plug it in to our system. And the system itself is a Linux-based system, and once the modem is attached and receives a signal from network, we should be able to create a network link. Our system is configuring the modem as I speak right now, and now you see the light is blinking and it should be connected in a few more seconds. Once it is up, the infotainment system has the ability to interface with 3G capability. Here we are demonstrating just some of the use cases, like checking a weather update using a 3G connection. This weather is configured for the existing show in Detroit, Michigan, for the telematics update. I can also go and enjoy a live tweet. The Twitter here is configured to search Lady Gaga tweets. These tweets are the recent updates. And this is basically a demonstration of the 3G connection. You can develop your connection from 3G for any type of applications you would like to do, including internet radio streaming, internet browsing, and any type of 3G capability or 4G capability you want to do over 3G. The demo itself has the ability to support, or our platform has the ability to support any type of USB modem, whether it's an external USB modem, an embedded module for internet mobile broadband connectivity. So let's proceed for the next step. Sure. Next step in the demo will take us to the media management interfaces in our systems. Okay, so the next part I'm going to show you is Nokia's terminal mode support. Here I have a Nokia phone, an N97. I'm going to plug it into the USB interface and demonstrate how terminal mode capability is used in our software platform. You can see that upon connection, a Nokia phone is establishing an IP pass-through interface. And once I click that, it is actually paired for a terminal mode capability. On the system itself, I will go to terminal mode interface under media. Once I select that, terminal mode is being established, and you can basically see that you have the same indication of the screen from the cell phone to the system itself. I can either click on the interface on the HMI, or click on the interface on my mobile handset, and it will transmit the functionality directly to the other device. So this is terminal mode from Nokia. Let's see if I have anything else here on the list. I can show messages. This is just an example of how this application works. Okay, so let's move on to the next part in our demonstration. The next part in our demonstration will take us to actual connectivity of media streams, not terminal mode. So I'm going to unplug it, and I'm going to flag an iPod device. The connection here will be done over digital iPod capability, IAP support, and also audio over USB, so it's all digital. Once I plug in the iPod, you'll be able to see that we are able to inject the logo of the OEM directly to the iPod itself. and once it is connected and authenticated, we are able to inject the logo of the it's not very bright lit, but the logo is injected to the iPod player. So now I can browse to songs, for example, media menu, and you can see on the right hand side the type of media stream that is being used. So all of these songs are coming from local storage. If I browse down, you can see the iPod icon, which indicates these songs are coming from the iPod itself. Once I click on one of these songs, our media management framework will initiate playing, including all of the metadata extracted from that song specifically. So this is just a demonstration of how an iPod can be supported. I will switch back from this interface to some local storage, and we'll move on to our next part in the demonstration. So the next part in the demonstration will actually going to show you iPod out functionality. iPod out can be carried out from iPhones and iPad applications, and also iPod Touch. So I'm going to plug in an iPhone to our system. Again, we have the authentication process over IAP, and you can see that the system recognizes the iPhone is connected, and once it is paired, I'm able to switch to a stream from iPod out. So I'm going to select iPod out on my menu, and you can see that the system itself shut down the local stream and switched to iPod out. iPod out is an interface that allows you to extract the video from the iPod application on the iPhone device and show it on your infotainment system. So I can browse inside, for example, songs, and just kind of shuffle something, and you can see again that it showcases the metadata from the file itself being played. You can switch to a different song and so on. So this is iPod out functionality. It's fully supported by the media management framework and Django's automotive media management middleware. Okay, in the next step of the demo, we're going to demonstrate to you how to use a Pandora application. Pandora is an application for streaming internet predefined radio stations from the iPhone itself. So I'm going to select a different stream with the very same iPhone connected, and I'm going to choose Pandora as a stream. The iPhone itself is now loading the Pandora application on it, and you can see it being loaded on the iPhone.